Hey everyone, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus M16 Air 2025 is set to launch in China on March 31st, available for pre-order at $3,307 through JD.com and ASUS China. Designed for users seeking top-tier performance in a lightweight and compact form factor, the laptop weighs just 1.95 kilograms and has a sleek profile with a thickness of 1.49 centimeters. Constructed from CNC-machined aircraft-grade aluminum, the ROG Zephyrus M16 Air 2025 comes in two color options, Eclipse Gray and Platinum White. Enhancing its aesthetics is the Space-Time Rift LED matrix on the lid, which is programmable with 7 RGB zones and 15 distinct lighting themes, providing a unique and customizable visual experience. The laptop features a 16-inch OLED Nebula Display with a 2.5K resolution, a peak brightness of 500 nits, a refresh rate of 240 Hz, and an ultra-fast 0.2 milliseconds response time. It offers 100% DCI-P3 color coverage and supports Dolby Vision, making it ideal for both gaming and content creation. To address concerns regarding OLED longevity, ASUS provides a 2-year burn-in warranty for the screen, ensuring long-term reliability. Under the hood, the Zephyrus M16 Air 2025 is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9-285H processor, a 16-core chip designed to handle intensive gaming and productivity tasks. This is paired with an NVIDIA RTX 5080 GPU, which runs at a 130-watt TGP, delivering exceptional graphics performance for high-resolution gaming and creative applications. The laptop is equipped with 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory, ensuring smooth multitasking, and a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD for fast storage. Additionally, ASUS has included 2 M.2 slots, allowing for future storage expansion. Thermal performance is a key aspect of M16 Air's design, with ASUS implementing its Glacier Cooling 3.0 system. This setup includes vapor chambers, 2 arc flow fans, and liquid metal thermal paste to efficiently manage heat dissipation and sustain high performance over extended periods. In terms of connectivity, the Zephyrus M16 Air 2025 comes well equipped. It features 2 USB-A 10 gigabits per second ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabits per second bandwidth, and 100-watt power delivery support, HDMI 2.1 capable of 8K at 60 Hz, Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless networking, and a UHS 2 SD card reader for fast media transfers. A dedicated square power port with temperature monitoring further enhances heat management during high-performance usage. Battery life and additional features further solidify the laptop's appeal. It houses a 90 watt-hour battery, supporting 100-watt fast charging via USB-C, allowing for quick recharging on the go. The RGB backlit keyboard provides a satisfying typing experience with 1.7mm key travel, and the 6-speaker Dolby Atmos audio system ensures immersive sound quality for both gaming and media consumption. Following its initial launch in China, ROG Zephyrus M16 Air 2025 is expected to become available in international markets in the coming months. With its combination of cutting-edge hardware, a high-quality display, and a premium lightweight design, it stands out as a strong contender in the gaming laptop space for 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.